How do you maintain your fitness? I don't maintain it. I don't know who maintains it, but I definitely don't maintain it for me. Uh, okay, guys, I'm really distracted because my friends are constantly writing something. So I'm reading that and I'm like processing it. So it's just taking me a little bit, but I'm gonna ignore them now and I'm gonna continue with the questions. Okay, have you watched Money Heist? Yes, I have watched Money Heist. I don't know if there's another season, but I'm desperately waiting for it because I freaking love that show. What is that show? I don't know. I was obsessed with it. I remember completing it in literally 2.5 days at a stretch. I know it's still a very long time because some people have literally finished it overnight, but I didn't do that. But it was still super fast for me. And yeah, I think it's my most favorite show on Netflix right now, and I can't wait for another season if there is any. So yes, that. And then okay, what are you guys laughing about? Guys, 1 second. Alia. Oh no, I'm a happy soul, Alia. I'm a happy soul. No, but I really don't know. Just no reason. Hi Priya, I have been thinking to try Sugar Bear hair. Will it really help? It helped me, so I'm sure it's gonna help you because I'm a normal person and so are you. So I mean, it works for everyone. I know so many people who have them, and it genuinely works. I just shot a video for Sugar Bear again because they're so good. So yes, they really work. If anyone is interested, just go on their website and just shop Sugar Bear gummies. There are Sugar Bear hair vitamins, Sugar Bear sleep vitamins, and Sugar Bear multivitamins, which I haven't tried. But the rest two are amazing. Literally on my side table, I have them every day. Okay. What did you eat in dinner today, ma'am? Alia. Hi, Alia. Thanks for your question. I am always happy to talk about food. I think that's why I'm blushing because I had such great food. I had paneer, I had pulao, I had raita, and I made roti, garam roti, and I had 2 bowls of halwa. Does anyone still want to ask me how do I maintain my fitness? I don't think so. Okay, but guys, I really was trying to control until tonight. I just went all out and just ate like crazy. So no point. Oh my god. This is turning out to be sort of a video call wherein I actually can't see my friends, but they can see me, so they're constantly talking to me. Guys, I'm not here to talk to all of you. Okay, you guys need to stop typing. Alvia, stop. I really did not have sugar until tonight, and that too I mean I had halwa, which is like whatever, I don't know. Okay, how to maintain hairs. I've made a YouTube video about it. If you're interested to go and watch, you can watch. 1 second. Try please. Let me know what's your skincare routine. Yeah, there's no routine that I follow, but I'll definitely think of doing a video about it. Anything else? Please tell me your boyfriend name. There is no boyfriend in my life, so when I get one, I will tell you. But before that, 1 second. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get some questions here. That's why I'm not able to read what you're writing. Uh, Makeup right now. No. Hi Shelby, what happened? Guys, do you want to say hi to Shelby? 1 second. Okay. Say hello to Shelby. The reason I'm sane right now is because of Shelby. Like, sane in this quarantine. My friends are just gonna write now, who said you're sane, we're insane, this and that, but trust me, I'm not. And it's only because of this little guy right here who keeps me entertained. And Tinted, just get lost. I want to say something more mean, but I can't say it on this live chat. But let me just get done with this and call you and say that to you. आपका पेट नेम क्या है? मेरे बहुत सारे पेट नेम है, पता है? मेरा पेट नेम is my friends call me Adits now. That's it. I used to think I have so many pet names that I literally cannot have any more, because my name is pretty simple to create a pet name from, and how many ever pet names I could have had, I already had. But my friends gave me one more pet name, which is Adits. So my recent pet name is Adits. And I don't even know how do they come up with things like these, but yeah, my recent pet name is Adits. But apart from that, my mom calls me Addu. My other friends call me I read that, Rishabh. I read that. Let me get done with it. Oh my god, I'm gonna be on this phone for hours after getting done with this live chat, because I'm gonna call each one of my friends and we have to have a long chat. So apart from that, my other pet names are Adi. What is Adi? No, nobody calls me that. Sorry. Bharts is what my best friend from school used to call me, Bharts, because my surname is Bhatia, so it went like Bharts because I think Bharts was cool for him. And then Bhatti also people would call me in school, just like weird names. I don't know what happens to people in school where they make pet names out of your surnames, but it should ideally be your name, right? But I think my name is pretty boring to create pet names from. But my friends in LA have Adits as my pet name, and that's what they call me. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Alvea, Srishabh, you guys are blocked. Anything else? Okay. So what's happening, guys? What have you guys been up to? Tell me something more. Bollywood has now become Bullywood. Ooh, Bullywood. Oh, I know why you're saying that. I don't know. I have a mixed opinion, which I don't want to share. There's so much happening. Hello. Ma'am, you live alone in your own home? No, I live with two of my friends. It's a 3 BHK apartment. We have our own rooms. But I am alone right now. And Shelby is with me most of the time. Even when I'm alone. So technically, I'm never alone. Okay. Any more questions for me? Or just nice things to say? I literally have no questions in my... Miss your mom? Of course I miss my mom. You didn't answer my single question till now. Ask me, please. I'm missing a few, I know. I'm sure. But... Signing Satya too? What? No, guys. I don't even know about this. रसोड़े में कौन था? I was going through the questions that I've got. रसोड़े में मुझे पता है कौन था. Dude, it's actually so cringy but so much fun to watch that video again and again and again and again. I just can't get enough of it. It's so entertaining. Just like weird things on the internet we like, right? There's no reason behind liking it, but I just like it. How's my mom and Nani? All good. How are you spending your days in LA? just chilling, living life, being inside, and mostly just learning a lot about myself, household work, and just a lot of stuff. So not really doing much in terms of living in LA and stuff. Just living by myself and living life. When is your next? Okay, my vlog. Oh yeah, my vlog is gonna come in the next 2 days. 2 days. Yeah, next vlog is gonna come in the next 2 days. Okay, and when will you come to India? Very soon. Very soon. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go now. Thank you, Ronak. Vlog is coming. Another vlog is coming in the next 2 days. But thanks for watching this one. And I know I missed a lot of questions, but my friend is again okay. Majamagram, even you're blocked. Everybody's getting blocked tonight. Would you date a similar age boy than you? Okay, why am I getting back to questions? I was gonna say bye, but yes, I would date a boy similar age with whatever you asked me. But yeah, I would date a boy who's as old as me, is what I mean. But yeah, coming back to saying bye, guys, I missed out a few questions. I already know that, but I tried to search for them and I couldn't really find any. All I could see is hi, hello, I love you, which is super sweet, but oh my god. Okay, now my thanks, Majamagram. I freaking hate you. My question, I hate you. Okay, bye guys. I need to end this. See you soon. Bye bye.